TikTok is facing a forced sale or a ban in the U.S.
In our legal lens, Fox 2's Jeff Bernthal asked Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNary why a law that was passed earlier this year is fueling a legal debate.
If we can just start with what this law says and does, Andrea, what about that?
Sure. Earlier this year, Congress passed a law and President Biden signed it, basically saying that if TikTok, Chinese parent company, did not sell its company ByteDance within 270 days, that basically the United States would block TikTok. So bottom line is, if it's not sold by January 19th, 2025, we can shut it down for the nearly 170 million monthly users that are on TikTok. Now, the president can extend this deadline by 90 days if a sale is imminent or a sale is being attempted. But as of right now, January 19th is that deadline.
I would think a lot of questions about whether this is, overreach. What does the law say about that?
Exactly. So what ByteDance has done is has taken to the courts and argued that it is an overreach and basically an infringement on First Amendment rights. Other organizations have shared that sentiment, such as the ACLU, kind of wondering where that balance is between protecting national security and allowing the United States citizens their private right to freedom of speech.
And before we let you go, I guess, where do you see this case going from here?
I really think this is going to be decided by the courts. So right now it's pending with an appellate court. Legislatures and the president have asked for a decision sooner rather than later so that it could possibly be considered by the United States Supreme Court. Scholars really think that the Supreme Court would be interested in this because it's kind of a case of first impression where we're balancing national security with a Chinese parent corporation and American citizens' right to First Amendment speech.
We know there are a lot of TikTok users. Andrea McNary, we appreciate your legal insights as always with Brown and Crouppen. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.
And as always, you can catch The Legal Lens on Fox 2 every Wednesday at 6 p.m.